13.5 lakhs for an SUV with bare minimum features. Sounds crazy, right? Especially when everyone says, just spend 2 lakhs more and get the loaded version. But here's what nobody tells you about the Scorpio Classic base model. By the end of this video, you'll know whether this SUV is worth your money or just hype. The Scorpio has ruled India's rugged SUV scene for nearly 2 decades. From politicians to off-road lovers, everyone trusts this beast. But in 2025, with so many feature-loaded SUVs in the same price range, does buying the base model still make sense? Let's find out. One thing that never changes is its muscular stance. Even in the base trim, you still get that iconic tallboy look. The bold front grille and the rugged body-on-frame build. No flashy alloys, no LED headlamps. But when a Scorpio passes by, people still turn their heads. That commanding presence is something no Creta or Seltos can match. Have you ever owned a Scorpio? Share your experience below. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood sits the same 2.2-liter Mhawk diesel producing 130 horsepower and 300 Nm of torque paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox. The ride is tough and the suspension laughs at rough roads. Basically, you're getting the same engine and reliability as higher trims, a big plus. The only miss? There's no automatic option in the Classic lineup at all. Here's where cost-cutting shows. Inside, you get basic fabric seats, a simple instrument cluster, manual A to C, and no touchscreen or steering controls. But the mechanicals remain identical to premium variants. If you care more about durability than luxury, these cuts aren't deal breakers. And with endless aftermarket upgrades, Scorpio owners love customizing their rides. What's your priority, features or reliability? Comment below. The 2025 base model starts around 13.5 lakh rupees ex-showroom. On road, expect 15 rupee to 16 lakhs rupees, depending on your state. Yes, you could get a Creta or Seltos packed with tech, but none deliver that raw Scorpio DNA, that go-anywhere confidence. So, should you buy it? Pros: iconic design, reliable Mhawk engine, rugged off-road ability, and the undeniable status symbol. Cons: lacks modern features, no automatic, higher on-road cost. If you want a tech-filled family SUV, consider the Creta or Grand Vitara. But if you crave a vehicle that commands respect, survives bad roads, and makes heads turn, the Scorpio Classic still makes sense. Now tell me, would you buy the base model or add to 2-3 lakhs for the top trim? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be reading them all. If you found this review useful, hit like and subscribe for more honest 2025 car reviews. Next up, the Scorpio Classic versus XUV 700 base model comparison. And you don't want to miss that. Prices mentioned are approximate and may vary with location, insurance, and GST updates.